Cancer is an extremely touchy subject. Almost everyone you see knows someone that has been affected in some way by cancer. Either they know someone that has had cancer, or they have it themselves. But what exactly is cancer? Cancer is a genetic disease, and according to Cancer.org, is the general name for over 100 different types of diseases. Although there's over 100 types, they all start out the same way. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, but it forms because of abnormal cell growth. The cells attach to the tissue to form tumors. The DNA inside a cell is packaged into a large number of individual genes, each of which contains a set of instructions telling the cell what functions to perform, as well as how to grow and divide. There are two types of tumors, cancerous and benign, but many cancers form solid tumors, which are masses of tissue. Cancerous tumors are malignant, which means they can spread into or invade nearby tissues. In addition, as these tumors grow, some cancer cells can break off and travel to distant places in the body through the blood or the lymph system and form new tumors far from the original tumor. Unlike malignant tumors, benign tumors do not spread or invade tissues. Benign tumors can sometimes be quite large. However, when removed, they usually don't grow back, whereas malignant tumors sometimes do. Unlike most benign tumors elsewhere in the body, benign brain tumors can be life-threatening. A cancer that has spread from the place where it first started to another place in the body is called metastatic cancer. The process by which cancer cells spread to the other parts of the body is called metastasis. Metastatic cancer has the same name and the same type of cancer cells as the original or primary cancer. Cancer can affect anyone at any time. It is not picky. Women are most affected with breast cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer, while men are most affected with prostate cancer, lung cancer, and colorectal cancer. Cancer can be treated in several ways, although some are not as effective as others. The first way is surgery. Surgery can be used to diagnose, treat, or even help prevent cancer in some cases. Most people with cancer will have some type of surgery. It often offers the greatest chance for a cure, especially if the cancer is not spread. Chemotherapy is the use of medicines or drugs to treat cancer. The thought of having chemo frightens many people, but once they find out the details, they seem to have a better sense of control. Radiation uses high-energy particles or waves to destroy or damage cancer cells. It is one of the most common treatments for cancer, either by itself or along with other forms of treatment. Lasers, which are very powerful, precise beams of light, can be used instead of scalpels for very careful surgical work, including treating some cancers. Also, there is transfusions of blood and blood products to temporarily replace parts of the blood when a person's body cannot make its own or has lost them from bleeding. According to Cancer.org, in 2015, an estimated 1,658,370 new cases of cancer will be diagnosed, and 589,430 people will die from the disease. The most common cancers in 2015 are projected to be breast, lung, prostate, colon and rectum cancer, bladder cancer, skin melanoma, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, thyroid cancer, kidney and renal pelvis cancer, endometrial cancer, leukemia, and pancreatic cancer. The number of people living beyond a cancer diagnosis reached nearly 14.5 million in 2014 and is expected to rise to almost 19 million by 2024. And with the dedicated help of scientists around the world, that number is sure to rise even more.